Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kusnula Shaifa, in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here are the complete news. The first news is, involved in the brawl between school 25 teenagers in Surabaya were taken away in Police. As many as 25 teenagers were forced to deal in criminal investigation unit of the Wonokromo Police in Surabaya after being involved in the brawl between high school. The brawl resulted to injuries. The 25 teenagers were arrested or no ongoing examination at the Wonokromo Police. The brawl between groups of teenagers took place on the Upajiwas Road, Wonokromo, Surabaya. Before last night brawl broke out, it was reported to brawl court during the day. Ricky explained before successfully trying to brawl has already received information that we are a brawl carried out by the groups of the high student. His party then coordinated with the police. Kuramil the check-in crime scan. Arriving at the location, a British student between in the school had broken out. Dozens of teenagers involved in the brawl were badly arrested while to injure the victim. We are evacuated to nearby hospital. As a result of said, one of student campus such to combined with the terms of plate on faces post on social media. Then some number of the meet on the Upajiwa during a Joe's schedule. Currently said to Ricky, dozens of teenagers who were detained are still Wonokromo Police for the extensive examination. The school and her parents' will also submitted from the incident. His party also prayed if what problem there was needed to apply more care on social media to make the atmosphere cloudy. Against dozens of the teenagers who were involved in brawl, they only received a mandatory report. The next news is, North Halmahera Bawaslu received 61 applicants. A total of the 61 people have registered a candidate of the North Halmahera in Pawascha. It not registered North Halmahera Pawascha for the 2 days. The first 28 people and the second day 33 people. Rafi Gomaludin Thursday on the Tribun.com observation. Registration of the candidate for the Pawaslu member was carried out at the North Halmahera Bawaslu office, which is open the 9 p.m. until and the total members of the North Halmahera in the needy 28 people were assigned to the number of sub-districts. Loloda Island District requires for Panwas with the people. North Loloda District for the Panwas. North Galilea District 1% South Galilea District 1%. Galilea Sub-District has 1% North Tableo District 2 Panwas. South Tableo District 4 Pansas people is Tableo Sub-District 2 Panwascha people, Tableo Sub-District 2 Panwascha people. For the Manly Sub-District, 3 out 2 Panwas with the Kau Teluk Sub-District, 3 out 3 Panwascha. The next news is, Rail Asia officially serves the Banda Aceh to the Kuala Lumpur route. Tickets can be purchased. The airline from Malaysia, Air Asia, will be officially fly to the route Sultan Iskandar Muda Airport, Blang Bintang, Aceh in the Kuala Lumpur International Airport to on Monday, October 3, 2022. AirAsia has written to acting governor to Aceh Ahmad Marzuki notifying the reopening of the Banda Aceh to the Kuala Lumpur flag. After we make a journey for it, Asia will be Banda Aceh in Kuala Lumpur for the initial stage will be opened twice a week. It said that the Banda Aceh transportation service to Faisal. Currently, AirAsia Banda Aceh Kuala Lumpur flight tickets are available. Prospective passengers can be currently through the official website or AirAsia. At the Traveloka Banda Aceh to the Kuala Lumpur, tickets are sold 1,000 for the one way. The plans will be on a Monday and Thursday for the early stage. Monday will be take off to the Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia at the Time Airport. Meanwhile, the Thursday from the Kuala Lumpur, it will be take off local time at Banda Aceh. Faisal said, for the initial stage only twice a week. However, as the number of passengers increase, the number of flights will be increased. He applied that the travelers who want to go back Malaysia to be able to book a ticket. The next news is losing control when crossing the Ibu Babal village road. The single accident occurred on the Pangkal Pinang Montok Highway Presley in the Ibu village, Simpang Tritik district, West Bangka Regency. The incident killed the rider of a blue Yamaha Sion GT motorcycle with the police number B5753BGF, namely Marni, 15 years old, resident of the Kachung Village, Kelab district. Meanwhile, Talita, the passenger, was injured and had to be rushed at the local health center for the medical assistance. Head of the Traffic West Bangka Police Muhammad Hardi, when confirmed on the Friday, confirmed that a single incident occurred on the Raya Pangkal Pinang Muntok route in Ibul village on the Thursday. The two people who were riding in the car were involved in a single incident. One driver, namely Murni, died as a result of the incident. Talita was injured, rushed to the Puskesmas. He said that the worst bandits using a motor Yamaha G-Seat motorbike, driving from the direction of the Jubel village in the Kachung village, Kelab district. While the crossing on the Raya Desa Ibu route, it is suspected Taris motorcycle slipped or the lost control. So Taris would accidentally fall onto the road. Hardy applied the public, especially road users, to be more careful in driving to equip helmet vehicles facial, as well as to check condition of the vaccine. The next news is, even though it's a free street vendor in the Pagar Alam still don't want to open Nanggung market stall. The Pagar Alam city government effort to control street vendors in the Nanggung market for the employment time valid again. Although various programs were arranged to be street vendors to be a company stall inside, the Nanggung market buying street vendors still refuse to occur in the market stall. Even the city government does not charge first a temporary fee of the street vendors. It is free that the vendor will be empty the chaos and will see fail. The street vendors who have been put under control from the outside the market buying are put into buying only the matter of day. It seems that the Pagar Alam city government has to raise its brain again to street vendors who sell outside the buying can return to trading inside the buying. So that the market atmosphere look clean and tidy. Miley, 53 years old, a street vendor said the previously combined style in the Ngendagung body. But now he is stealing outside the market body. The reason is will selling the buying the merchandise does not sell because there is no buyer. Mayor of the Fahruroji, Alvin Maskoy, when receiving the location the Nugnam to market lighting, it is said Fahruroji municipal government had tried to include street vendor into the market lighting. It is said in the near future the city government will have dialogue to the consultant with the street vendor to listen the wishes of the street vendors. He added that later on the inches to market lighting, none of permanent kills will be but to recourse trader will be set in the middle of the using a plastic roof. Later on, it was planned to build a non-permanent kiosk road outside the building to make it look neater and accessing route can be again, and it can be motorbike parking lots. The next news is, Dragon Boat Festival is expected to be uneven. A 13 meters long track will provide to the participants in the Meister Alert to Kapua River. The paying is brand by your city Pontianak at the Rusdi Kamranto combined terminal. At the first Admire Indonesia and forces Suharto symbolic story live competition. It is hopeful can become tourism even for the city of the Pontianak, not only the province but the third put Indonesia the world because it has the Kapuas River. In the future, namely a Dragon Boat Festival will be followed by the characteristic of the Pontianak city, namely the egg water. According to the hymn, this is from the city branding as well as adapting to impression of the concept of the sporty city. The people of Pontianak city like to exercise and with the Ganta will make a resident more enthusiastic about expressing. The Pontianak city government will start prepare sport facility and infrastructure public facilities such as school and a park, he said. Bringing the name to go international, he said, is responsibility of the root parties. We want to thank the parties involved that actually and planned to be held science smart with the condition the pandemic at the time. He said there is continue cooperating a boat route. The next news is, the Nunukan Civil Service Police Unit break out their illegal biting of Yamarket Market. The Nunukan Civil Service Police Unit can conduct control over illegal biting around the Yamarket Market west the Nunukan village, Nunukan Regency, North Kalimantan on the Friday morning. The illegal biting have been bited by the street vendors to sell verses well as place to alive. Head of the Nunukan Sapo had public order and order. And he said the morning his body returned to Marker Police marker check of the illegal potting, which is the previously submitted to the event vendor the land potting himself. And he said that so far three units illegal biting have been deposited by the Nunukan. There is still 2 small scale biting, but we still have to meeting the risk of the regional operators organization. I want a government to have community to be able to carry out activity at the parking facility first. There is will arrange the rest. So people that is included demonstrant will be later use the benefit and community the market. According to the AD, controlling illegal biting restore function and the land as facile and parking lot for the market visitors. The Nunukan Civil Service Police Unit against its conducive control the illegal biting Yamaikar Market, West Nunukan village. He hoped that the local government to immediately take it fines, and so far it no longer used by the street vendors. If its local government does not immediately use it will be combined again and street vendors, and of course it is potential to conflict between traders after inside a market and outside the market. Well, I think those are the news for today with me, Kusnul Asheva. Don't forget to follow us at the Tribun Lampung News Video, Tribun Lampung Facebook, Tribun Lampung Instagram, and Tribun Lampung TikTok for more information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.